Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Sunset Drone GH. Today we are taking you on a dashboard ride from Yamfo Junction. That's visible on the right as we head toward Kwanta from Tanoso. A few kilometers from the junction, you find the Tanoso Community Health College, an institution that has been serving the community for some time now. Everything you are seeing in this footage falls under Tanoso, a town that has seen rapid development in recent years. A major factor driving this growth is the ongoing mining activities in Afirisipa, a nearby town. I must say, I am truly impressed by how much progress has been made in such a short time. Today, we are showcasing the highly talked about road project by Newmont Ahafo, which connects Tanoso, Afirisipa, and Techere. This newly completed bypass has significantly improved transportation in the area, and many road users consider it a game changer due to its excellent condition. One user even exclaimed, "Wow, this is exactly what we need across the entire country," a sentiment many of us share. It raises an important question: why can't similar projects be implemented in all mining communities? Such developments will go a long way in bridging the gap in our country's road infrastructure. Driving on this road is a refreshing experience, and I must commend those behind this initiative. It's always inspiring to see impactful projects like this that enhance the daily lives of citizens. If you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help others stay informed.